The performance task and curriculum-based test of the primary exit profile PEP exams had to be cancelled this year due to the COVID-19 outbreak. And as a result of this, a hybrid approach was used to grade and place the students. Despite the adjustments, 80% of the students who sat the exams this year were placed in one of their preferred high schools. And guess what? Today we'll be speaking to two of these PEP stars who excelled in their exams despite the challenges.
Hello Jamaica, my name is Jenna Knight and I'm a student of St. Jude's Primary School in Kingston, and this September I will be attending the Holy Childhood High School.
Hello everyone, my name is Dante Skirvin and I previously attended Providence Kindergarten Preparatory School in the parish of St. Thomas. This September I will be attending Campion College.
I feel great because I worked hard, I got motivated, and I studied really hard for this exam. My overall score was 80s and 90s because I studied really hard, because my teacher told me I need to study and motivate me to do it.
I'm very elated at my performance this year. Well, my score were most of them were over 90. I got 100 in the ability test that I did earlier in grade 6.
It is evident that Dante and Gianna did really well in their exams. And I know you might be wondering, how did they do it? What are some of the challenges they had? And how did they overcome them? Listen up.
I went to Saturday classes and extra classes, and also went to winter classes because I really needed that time to learn, to move my grades up. And also my parents studied with me to help me motivate myself to move more in my grades and also do more in my work.
From K3 coming up, I've been doing well. I've come first every time, and it's because of my grand aunt or my mother. So they expect me to do well in everything. So I've studied my homework, look over my subjects and everything that I can. And it all went through and I came first all the way up, going up. Even at graduation, I got awards for top achiever, being the top male in the subject, valedictorian, and others. Well, I did not have a timetable because I didn't really have the time, but I did take extra lessons each week with Mrs. Hall, my grade 6 teacher, and also Miss Fisher, my grade 5 teacher. And every time I went home, I studied, did my homework with my grand aunt. My grandma is my biggest motivator because she's always there for me, and every time I slack off and don't study, she always, push me back and let me study.
My greatest motivator is my teacher because she helped me when I don't understand my work, and she also explained to the whole entire class why I don't understand it, and she's just a huge motivator to me.
So because of COVID-19, we know that a lot has to be changed to prepare students for back to school this September. And so we want to ask Gianna and Dante, how are they feeling going back to school in this new normal?
Despite COVID, I'm looking forward to the extracurricular activities, the 4-H clubs, the gym, and also the education that they'll provide for young youths like me. Some of the safety procedures will be I have to wear masks, wash my hands daily with soap, and not greet each other in a way that we can touch each other.
I am a little afraid of COVID-19 because I have asthma, and that will give me the ability to have a shortening of breath, to have hard breathing. That's why I need to sanitize and wash my hands regularly and wear my mask most often.
And right now we're about to wrap up, but I hope you were jotting down notes on how these two students were able to excel in their exams despite the challenges. Here's some more advice just before we go.
My advice to new high schoolers like me is that there's a lot of challenges coming your way, but do your best no matter what. And as it relates to COVID-19, wear your mask most often, wash your hands and sanitize. Be safe.
Although some primary school students did not get the school of their choice, I'm hoping that they will go to the school, make new friends, and do their best to be the best. just like the pandemic just now, you don't know what might happen, so you must do your best in everything that they give you, every test. Try your best, study hard, and make sure you study, put everything down right if you can, and then let everything see out.
With
That said, all the best.